Mother. Mother. Sucker.
Spicy?
No.
You farted?
Oh, look at the pepper. See the pepper.
Yeah, you farted.
No.
Yeah, you farted.
A pepper.
What? You're spreading rumors? So I was having a really great morning until Carlos came around.
What the heck?
And it's just like so negative and just like nodding or shaking his head at everything. Just like, what the heck? Happy Monday. But anyways, we're on our way to our lives. And I'm gonna see a good friend. I'm excited!
Also, your car is leaking.
My car is leaking oil, so that's kind of a bummer. We'll see how it goes. So my car ended up breaking down, which was really unfortunate. But luckily, the friend that I was going to meet up with was able to pick me up, and we ended up having a great day. Beach Break Cafe.
I'm not even hungry. Bam! These are clean.
I've been down so long they look like
What'd you get? There's a water. I want to. Thank you. Of course.
I won! I made it in!
You can take another picture of me now, but
I like that they're singing. Yeah. I missed it. Yum.
Me?
No.
What? Look at Anna.
Look, little juice. Can I have juice?
No.
Is my juicy ready?
Huh?
Is my juice ready?
No. Nice.
She's like, it's cooking right now.
I wanted it already.
You ready? Wait.
Yeah. Nice and slow.
Good morning. It's been a cool minute since we've vlogged. But
Battery's dead.
I have batteries. We're gonna, we're gonna go get dim sum with some of my coworkers, and it should be fun. I'm really excited. I'm really hungry, and dim sum is so good. So. Again, I didn't end the vlog. I'm really bad at that, and I need to remind myself to end it every Saturday night. That week was really stressful. My car broke down, so I didn't have a car for the rest of the week, and I drive a lot. So it was really stressful to try to get rides or, you know, carpool with people or something. So I didn't want to vlog while I'm in a bad mood, because I don't know, I don't like that. I don't like when I'm in a bad mood and I'm vlogging. But on the weekend, I had dim sum. I went to Chuck E. Cheese with Lila and my family, and it ended up being a good weekend. So just wanted to end it here. Thank you for watching, and I hope I see you guys on the next one.